Hey everybody, this is Jill for today, and I have a grocery haul. It's small. We had a delivery, and I'm going to show you what we got. So first of all, I want to tell you, now I know you're going to think I'm crazy. Anything that comes in that house, this place, I wipe down. If it's a hard surfaced item, the grocery, the produce I wash thoroughly before it goes in the fridge, but yeah, I do. Okay, so let me show you what we got. I got some broccoli, some fresh broccoli there. And I've got a couple of cartons of soy milk. As you recall, we're plant-based now, so we're buying plant-based items. I bought some plant-based mozzarella. This is very good, and we're having eggplant parmesan, and that's what that's going in, and I have terrible nails. Okay, and then I got 2 jars of the bread and butter pickles, delicious bread and butter pickles. I got some blueberries. Got some navel oranges, nice bag of navel oranges there. Hamburger buns. Now I'll tell you, if you have an opportunity to buy these are really good. They're nice and moist, and they've got some body to them, so they're pretty good. I would recommend those. I got some split peas. I'm going to be doing some split pea soup. I got a creamer, oat creamer here. Vanilla. I'm the one that uses creamer in the house. The director is on the quest for something other than artificial sweetener. So we're going to try this one. He's tried several in the past, but we're going to give that one a shot and see how he likes that. I got myself 2 yogurts, blueberries. I got some garlic. A small little thing of radicchio. Luckily, it was just a little tiny one, so I got some radicchio. Got some fresh spinach. A red onion. There you go. A lovely little bell pepper stuffed. Another one we're going to be doing here real soon. Got a nice big sweet potato. Haven't decided what to do with that yet. Got some fresh mushrooms. I'll take those out of the bag. Fresh mushrooms. I got 3 russets. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with that, but we always love to have potatoes in the house. And then I got a beautiful head of red leaf lettuce. Now, that is what I call a haul. I've washed everything off, and now I have to put it away, and I have to wash all this produce. But we did have I got some good stuff. Lots of produce, which we really are looking forward to eating. So that's my haul. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will catch you later. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.